everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at some airlines, and I'll start things off here with the U.S. Global Jets ETF, JETS. Now, Jets, as you can see, is near a pivot. It saw resistance in February, pulled back to the 200-day moving average, chopped around for a while, and now we're back at the scene of the crime before the breakdown in February. And so I want to watch to see if Jets can make a move here to break out to a near-term high. Now, if I zoom out all the way, you can see that we are at a pretty interesting pivot because this was a zone where Jets broke down initially in 2020. And so it's retraced this entire breakdown from COVID. It did take a few years, but it is back. And so if it can get above and stay above that level, I think that that could mean something pretty significant for the airlines, specifically for Delta Airlines, which I want to look at tonight because Delta is in a strong uptrend and above all the key moving averages. It's above the 8-day, 21-day, and has near-term support at the 50-day moving average with the test of the 50-day as early as May of this year. So we pulled back to the 50-day moving average, had a big bullish engulfing candlestick, and just continued to trend up. And this has been working for a couple of weeks now. And so I would certainly watch Delta for a breakout above 87.40. And if that happens, I think we could get that big move in the Jets ETF as well. So whether you want to play the entire sector or an individual stock, I think that this has you covered. And this is just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see my full watch list, take a trial, click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.